My name is Ashish Varma. I am the CEO and MD at Graphite Private Limited, Nasik. We are India's largest graphite electrode supplier. We are also the pioneers because we were the first company to start graphite electrode manufacturing in India. We are also in association with Tokai Carbon Company Limited, Japan. We have India's, in fact, Southeast Asia's largest machine shop for machining graphite electrodes. We have been using a lot of international machines over this period of years. And maybe a couple of years ago, we got contacted by AMS to try out their machines. To be very honest, initially I was very hesitant to try these machines because we were used to using the foreign brands. However, their team was very persistent and we decided to give it a shot. We got our first machine maybe last year, that is 2023, and we found that the machines are pretty good. We tried all kind of tests, accuracy wise, productivity wise, we were quite happy with the machine. But more importantly, I think the reason which I have my comfort factor with AMS is more because of the technical support, and at every step of the way, they have helped us. They have tried to answer our queries. Uh, we have just ordered 2 more machines, which should be delivered early in 2024, which is the next few weeks. We find that every time we go with suggestions, they are very open to talk to us. They are very open to give us valuable suggestions. And I think in today's market, it's not the machine which speaks, it's the service. And this service is what differentiates AMS amongst all other suppliers because they're customizing, they're listening to customers. So this is why we love to work with this team. I wish them all the best. I think graphite is a material which is now being used very commonly, and it is something which, an idea which is time has come. In the future, you'll be seeing a lot of graphite applications in India. You will also be seeing a lot more graphite machines being sold. And I wish and hope that AMS continue this customer centricity, this customer focus, this customization, creating solutions, because this is where the future of the machine industry is. So I wish AMS team all the best.